Morning, how are you guys? Bitwig 4.3 is in beta, and in this new version there will be a brand new convolution reverb and a new delay plugin, the Delay Plus. I recently did a live stream where we had a look at these new plugins, and in this video I compiled the best parts showcasing these plugins from the live stream. Hope you enjoy the episode. Let's take the tour. And I think that the major new things in this release is definitely the convolution reverb. So there's finally a really nice convolution reverb integrated directly within Bitwig Studio. And there's also this new Delay Plus device. So we have some garage, gated reverbs, German plates. You gotta have those. Grain redux. So there's probably going to be a lot of effect impulse responses. So let's listen to some of these. Let's begin with this Beersheba Town Hall 1.5 second reverb. And now I actually did a little bit of changes here to the start, the mid here, and the ending. So there's you can have different gain stages here for the sampled reverb. And with all these different devices in Bitwig Studio, you can always go to the show help here if you want to see what these different knobs and parameters like how they work and what they mean. So we can see that this is the start level, the mid level, and the ending level. So we can add gain to maybe only the end section if we feel that the impulse response is a little bit weak in the ending, and we want it more profound in the ending. So this is like the clean setup. So there are some really nice parameters available here directly from the device interface. And this was the little sun here, it's the brightness knob. And I think it sounds really great when we start to filter this down, so we have a little bit darker reverb. Yeah, that's a really mighty setting here, the tuning here. It's probably going to work great if you want to make these really big, powerful toms. So let's add a little bit of mid-gain and ending gain for this reverb and hear how it sounds. You can hear that the sound cuts off as soon as I hold one of these and drag them around, but the sound will come back when we release this parameter. That's probably that it has to do some recalculation. So there's some really useful controls here to really hone in and make this a unique kind of sounding reverb. And I think this convolution reverb will work for many different sound design situations, since we have so many like fine-grained controls. So let's load up another of these convolution reverbs. The atonal stasis, 8.6 seconds. That's some really amazing bell generation impulse response right there. So you can probably make some nice cinematic sounds with this convolution reverb. So that was the atonal stasis. So let's add the new delay plus and look at the settings. So that's just your basic kind of delay, and we can set it to trioles. And we have these ping pong settings, which always makes the delay sound richer and nicer in my opinion. Let's add more feedback and try this soft parameter. So it really softens up the taps that you hear, like it blurs them a little bit. Let's add more feedback. So it's a really nice delay. Let's open up we have a low pass and a high pass filter here. So you can basically make this a more narrow kind of, the delay taps much more narrow sounding. Maybe add this an octave above. Yeah, that's definitely a nice shimmer reverb. Now it's going to Ashtung land. Let's try some of these other soft modes, the blur modes. So let's try the space along with more modulation and spread. Yeah, I really love that delay plus and pitch shifter combination. Yeah, I can like go on for ages and play with this effect setup. It sounds really nice, really lovely.